Hi, this is Amber Darst, Solutions Manager for Managed Outsource Solutions, and for this podcast, I will be discussing the importance of verifying dental insurance coverage for porcelain veneers. Porcelain veneers are one of the most effective dental options to improve the cosmetic appearance of your teeth and achieve the smile your patients desire. Veneers are a porcelain cover that is placed over the front surface of healthy teeth to improve their color, shape, and appearance. Veneers cannot be used for restoring badly failing teeth. Dentists will likely recommend crowns instead if the patients have any decay, cracks, or excessive wear. Porcelain veneers are an expensive dental restoration, and insurance coverage is generally not available for veneers that are placed for cosmetic reasons. Although rare, there are instances where insurance will pay towards this procedure if it can be proven to be medically necessary. Knowing each dental insurance company's policies by performing a thorough insurance verification for each patient in advance of their appointment is crucial for dental practices to understand the coverage for veneers and crowns, and it also ensures that you will get the proper reimbursement for any treatment provided. Outsourcing your dental billing to MOS can help keep your revenue flowing while you focus on providing patients with the best options for their needs. And that's all. Thanks for listening in.